Welcome everyone, my name is Lisa and today on Pressure Crisp, as you can see I got a little burnt. Just came back from the lake. I have a few people that are hungry, so I'm going to start them off with some wings. We're going to take frozen wings out of the freezer and we're going to put them directly into the Ninja Foodi Grill and we're going to air crisp them. But I just want to get this going real fast because I have hungry people that are waiting. So come on over and let's get started. And this is how easy making these wings are. These are the wings that just came out of the freezer. So we're just going to take, this is a total of 3 wings and this big, just put it right in there. You can spray this with a little bit of oil. And I'm taking a homemade rub and I'm just going to sprinkle just a little bit on there just to get this started. Because as it cooks, then you can add more oil and more seasoning. We're just going to start that off just like that. And yes, I got it everywhere. We're going to go ahead and lower the lid. Next up, turn the Ninja Foodi on. Air crisp 390. Hit start. Hit air crisp again. Open the lid. Add the food. Now we can keep track of how many minutes these wings are cooking for. Now I'm going to come back in like 5 or 7 or 8 minutes. I'm going to take a pair of tongs and we're going to break those wings up. I do want to increase the time, so I am going to up this time to 25 minutes. So about 6 minutes has gone by. We're going to raise the lid and we're going to take those tongs just to see if we can get things apart. All right, we can't do that right now, which is fine. I am going to take some more of that spray. We're going to spray these wings and sprinkle some of that homemade rub. We'll put lots on there. There we go. Go ahead and close the lid. I'm going to come back in 5 minutes to see if we can break these wings apart. So about 4 minutes has gone by. I just want to check on these. Just want to see if I can break them apart. And it's not working. So I'm just going to keep plugging away here until they do break apart. So 2 or 3 minutes has gone by and I just wanted to show you I did break these wings up because they did start off as a clump. It would be easier if they were actually individual. And yeah, I should have probably done that, but that's okay. There we go. Wings are all separated. Want them all flat. Just going to spray them with a little bit of oil. Take some more of that dry rub. I like this rub. It has less salt, so I can add a ton of this dry rub, and it will be spectacular. If you want, you can flip them over right now. Just want to make sure all sides has some of that rub. And this is avocado oil. I should have specified. Take some of that rub. And I just want to show you guys, this is how quick and easy this can be. This is just real-time cooking. It's just, I don't know, fabulous. We're going to go ahead and close the lid. Now we have 14 minutes and 44 seconds left on here. And they should be done in 25 minutes. But we're going to temp them if some of them need to be cooked a little bit longer. Probably not, but we're just going to temp them to make sure. We have 10 minutes left on the clock. And yeah, look at these. Oh, wow. Beautiful. It smells so good in here. These wings are going to be spectacular. And I did want to let you know, I am going to finish these off with just a little bit of barbecue sauce. Not everybody likes hot wings, so we opted for barbecue sauce. And as usual, we're going to be using Sweet Baby Ray's. Let me tip that one over. That one's going to take longer to cook. I can tell by looking at it. Go ahead and lower the lid. So we have 6 minutes and 30 seconds left on the clock. I'm going to raise the lid. These are looking gorgeous. I'm going to pull an instant read thermometer. Let's do a quick temp on these wings. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Definitely. Of course. Oh, see, these little fatty ones aren't done. What I am going to do right now is I'm going to add barbecue sauce to the ones that are done. And this is Sweet Baby Ray's. Everybody likes it. It's easy, delicious. We're going to do one side, then we're going to flip over and do the other. If I can get this out of here. Oh, that one's not done yet. Lower the lid and keep going. So once again, we have 6 minutes and 25 seconds left on the clock. So it started at 25 minutes. So it cooked for around 20 minutes right now, give or take a few minutes. Those other wings are done, but we're just cooking the barbecue sauce on. Well, not cooking. We want it to adhere to the wing so it's tasty. So his wings have been cooking for about a minute. I do want to turn them over, get the other side, let them cook for another minute, and then we're going to take them out while these other guys cook. Oh yeah, this is nice. So we got 2 layers of flavor. You have the dry rub and the barbecue sauce. All right, they should be done shortly. So we have more 4 minutes and 30 seconds left. I'm going to take these out. And this is just a small little appetizer to start with. And yes, I got stuff everywhere. As usual, let's do a quick temp. All right, we're there. Yay! And now we're going to put barbecue sauce on these guys and same thing. Ouch. And then they'll be done. So the last of the wings are done. We're going to pull these. We're going to let these cool down a bit, and then we're going to do that taste test. Okay, it's time for that taste test. I do want to let you know that there were 3 wings. They were cut into 6 different pieces. Little wing tips were left on because that's how people I know prefer them. So we had that clump of wings, and we chose Ninja Foodi Grill, the air crisp function at 390 Fahrenheit. And these cooked in 18 to 21 minutes. Like the bigger ones took the 21 minutes. The smaller ones took 18. But the temp on them, they were done before that actually. Not gonna lie about it. They were done before, but they're probably gonna be spectacular still. So you can take wings directly from the freezer, pop them in the Ninja Foodi or Ninja Foodi Grill, and they will cook perfectly. So let's get to that taste test. Let's choose this little drumette. Close up of this bad boy. Oh yeah, there we go. Because that homemade rub of mine, I have a little bit of cayenne. Sorry. I have a little bit of cayenne in there. So, with the sweetness from the Sweet Baby Ray's, I gotta wipe my face. With the sweetness from the Sweet Baby Ray's and that little bit of spice, it's not hot. It's just a little bit of warmness at the end. It's lovely. So, gonna have another, oh no, wait. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe and stay tuned. This is just a winging it video. Like I said, I got a little burnt. Just got home from the lake. People are hungry, which I should run out and bring them the wings. Next up, yeah, we're gonna be making some chicken. Just some quick chicken for everybody, and then later on some burgers perhaps, and French fries. So once again, thanks everybody for watching, and I gotta get these wings delivered. Thanks. Good. So good.